G'day guys, now that we've shown you the Australian version of the Snorkel install, we're now going to show you the US version. Some key points to take into consideration, that's to take care, measure correctly, cut precisely, and make sure you clean up afterwards. Let's get stuck into it.
Install the air cleaner base assembly back into the vehicle. Guide the air hose through the hole in the inner guard panel. Once installed, fasten with the mounting bolts and reattach the electrics. Loosely install the hose clamp. Add some lubricant to the hose. Add Loctite 272 to the bolts and screw them in to the snorkel body. Now carefully install the snorkel body. Align the snorkel body to the panel and to the upper mounting bracket. Also ensure the snorkel body outlet goes into the air entry hose. When correctly aligned, use the body washers and nuts to hand fasten the snorkel to the panel. Loosely screw the snorkel to the A-pillar mounting bracket. Tighten the hose clamp around the air entry hose and snorkel body outlet. Now tighten all the snorkel body mounting screws. When tightened, give the body one final check and adjust again if required. Now tighten the A-pillar mounting bracket screws. With the black hose clamp loosely over the base, install the snorkel air ram. Align and tighten the black hose clamp. Carefully remove the plastic bag. Reinstall the filter and cover. Make sure to reattach all hoses and cables. Now tighten the hose clamp. Finally, reinstall any removed splash guard, wheel arch moulding and reflector assembly. bye.